Wow, wow, wow.
Yo, what's up? Come on, let me make my own concoction drink. So, the drink that I am going to make is called Galactic Ocean. By the way, I'm Chris, your bartender for today's mix. So, firstly, this drink consists of 5 ingredients: the Gatorade, lemon lime soda, vodka for the alcohol, and butternut and a lemon juice. So, let's make it. First, I'm going to use this highball glass for my drink. So, first ingredient that I am going to pour in my drink is the Gatorade. I'm going to pour at least 1.5 ounce.
Ice doll.
So after that, for my next ingredient, I'm going to put in my one and then put an ice.
Kinsa na?
And the next thing that I'm going to put is the lemon lime soda.
Now for the next,
So I'm going to pour at least 2 ounce. And next is I'm going to put half an ounce of vodka.
Create a combination of white, sparkling, and fruity layer.
Next is the butternut, which is the main, one of the best ingredients in this drink. You can put at least 1.5 ounce.
This will over the back, so it can create the top layer of our sunset.
So, next, for the tip of this drink, I'm going to put the lemon juice to make the top of it look like a galaxy.
It will give a tangy and sweet acid in our drink.
So, for the final finishing of this drink is the garnish. Here is the drink, the Galactic Ocean.